In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect ClickUp to your Notion workspace. This integration can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing you to manage tasks and projects more efficiently. So, let's dive in and get started on this step-by-step guide to setting up the connection. First off, find yourself at the Notion dashboard. This is your main hub, where everything begins. The dashboard serves as your workspace's central command center, where all your pages and tools come together. It might look a bit crowded if you have many projects, but don't worry, we'll make it easy. Next, you'll want to locate the email section within your dashboard. Clicking on it helps streamline communication and ensures you have access to all necessary notifications and updates as we proceed with our setup. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the settings option. It usually resides in a corner or a drop-down menu, which acts as the control panel of your workspace. This is where all your customizations and integrations live, making it an essential stop. Once in the settings, navigate to Connections. Connections are the backbone of any integration process, serving as the bridge between your Notion account and the other tools you wish to integrate. This step is crucial as it allows you access to the diverse range of apps that can be linked to streamline your workflow. With Connections open, it's time to make good use of the search bar. Type in Highlight, as this will direct you straight to the options that are currently available for integration. Highlighting these options will make the next steps more manageable and straightforward, giving you clarity before proceeding further. Next, let's look for ClickUp in the list of available integrations. ClickUp is a powerful tool for task management and time tracking, and integrating it with Notion can really amp up your productivity. ClickUp usually features prominently given its popularity, but feel free to use the search function again if it saves you time. Once you've found ClickUp, click on it. After selecting ClickUp, look for an Install button. Clicking this button is the digital equivalent of saying, "Yes, I want these two platforms to work together." This step is a crucial trigger for enabling the integration. Now you're nearly there. An important final step remains, connecting or authenticating your account. This will usually involve logging into your ClickUp account within Notion or granting permissions. You'll need to follow the prompts that appear to securely connect your accounts. And there you have it. You've successfully connected ClickUp with your Notion dashboard. This integration will enable you to manage projects and tasks across both platforms seamlessly, ensuring you've got all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Thanks for following along, and I hope this enhances your productivity. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips.